Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss again class 10th science book chapter first, food and human health, and today's topic is toxic substance. Toxic substance. Once again, today we are going to discuss again class 10th science book chapter first, food and human health, and today's topic is toxic substance. First of all, introduction of toxic substance. Students, it means poisonous. It means harmful substance. So each toxic substance are harmful. Next is human. Start using narcotic substance for illusion of pleasure or of enjoy. Once again, human start using narcotic substance for illusion of pleasure or of enjoy. Next is some of the toxic substance in common use in the society and their harmful side effect are given below. Once again, some of the toxic substance. Students, in this chapter we studied tobacco, alcohol, gutka, opium, and cocaine, cannabis, charas, hashish, LSD. They are some common toxic substance used in the society. Once again, some of the toxic substance in common use in the society and their harmful side effect are given below. First toxic substance is tobacco. Students, it is a toxic substance. Next, tobacco obtained from nicotina tabacum Students, it is a botanical name of tobacco plant. Once again, tobacco obtained from Nicotina tabacum. It is a botanical name of tobacco plant. Once again, tobacco obtained from Nicotina tabacum plant leaves. Next is family of tobacco plant. Students, remember, in the nature mostly 5 type of plant. First, algae, bryophyte, pteridophyte, gymnosperm and angiosperm. All plants are include some specific families like Malvaceae, Solanaceae, Liliaceae, Cruciferae, many families, but tobacco plant include in Solanaceae family. Solanaceae family. Once again, family of tobacco plant is Solanaceae. Next is alkaloid. Alkaloid name of tobacco plant is nicotine. Once again, alkaloid name of tobacco is nicotine. Students, learn proper the alkaloid name of tobacco. Next, proper learn botanical name of tobacco plant. Next, family of tobacco. Next is harmful effect when we use tobacco. Next is following are the losses, it means harmful of tobacco use. Many harmful effect. First is nicotine. It means alkaloid of tobacco plant. Nicotine thickness. The wall of arteries. Due to which heartbeat and blood pressure, it means BP, increases. It is first harmful effect. Students, once again, nicotine thickness the wall of arteries due to the which heartbeat in normal humans, in normal adult human, heartbeat is 72 per minute. Next, blood pressure increases. Students, we studied previous online classes a topic blood pressure. Normal human blood pressure is 120/80 mm of Hg, measured by sphygmomanometer. Arteries, it is a type of blood vessels. Students, remember, humans to have many tube-like structures. It is called blood vessels. It is a figure of blood vessels. In this gap flow blood. This is wall of blood vessels. Mostly 3 types of blood vessels is first artery carry. Once again, first is artery to carry Pure blood, it means oxygenated. Next vein, to carry impure blood. And next is capillaries. It means mostly three types of blood vessels. First is artery, veins and capillaries. So first, harmful effect. Second is carbon monoxide present in the cigarette. Once again, carbon monoxide present in the cigarette smoke damages red blood corpuscles or red blood cells and affects the oxygen transporting capability of the blood. Once again, if any person to use cigarette, it means smoking cigarette. So in cigarettes smoke to have carbon monoxide to burst red blood cells, so the oxygen cannot or does not proper transporting in cells, tissues or organs. Next, third is chance of throat, mouth, tongue cancer increases by the regular use of tobacco. Once again, students, a specific point is cancerogen or carcinogens. It means to stimulate, to motivate, to produce. Cancer motivate or produce substance is called cancerogen or carcinogens. Many terminology as a cancerogen type like allergen, allergy motivate substance is called allergen. Cancer stimulate, motivate or produce substance is cancerogen, methanogen, mutagen, many terminology as like a cancerogen. Next is alcohol. Students, it is another toxic substance. It is a toxic substance. Students, remember, toxic substances are found in solid form like gutka, tobacco. Next, liquid form like alcohol. Next, vapor form like smoke or cigarette smoke and other toxin substance smoke. Second is alcohol. It is a toxic substance. It found in liquid forms. Next, main component of alcohol is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol C2H5OH. Next, third is harmful effects of alcohol. First is after drinking alcohol, it reaches liver. It is largest human gland. Liver through blood. Liver convert excess alcohol into acetaldehyde. Students, acetaldehyde is a toxic substance. It means poison, which is poisonous. Poisonous. Once again, after drinking alcohol, it reaches liver through blood. Liver convert excess alcohol into acetaldehyde. Next, alcohol causes fatty liver disease. Students, mostly two types of fatty liver. First is alcoholic. In this type, alcoholic fatty liver, but second is non-alcoholic fatty liver. If any person to take alcohol, alcoholic people is alcoholic fatty liver disease, which has an effects on the synthesis of carbohydrate and protein. Next, third is reduce memory power. It is third harmful effect. Next, third toxic substance is gutka. Students, it is a toxic substance, or it is another toxic substance. Next is gutka prepared from katha and lime and other substance. Next, using gutka, Next is harmful effect. Harmful effects of gutka. First is muscles of the jaw. Muscles of the jaw become hard, and the jaw will not open properly, and human infected mucus fibrosis disease. Mucus fibrosis disease. First, harmful effect. Second, gutka cause mouth, throat, and tongue cancer. Students, cancer produce cancer motivate substance. It is called carcinogen or cancerogen. So today we studied three toxic substances. First is tobacco, second is alcohol, third is gutka. Next online classes we studied some specific other toxic substance like opium, like cocaine, hashish, charas. So thanks. Have a nice